What's going on, guys? Joe here. We are still on this commercial project. I want to show you guys what we talk about when we say roof maintenance on these. So TPO is very easy to maintain, and it's very imperative to make sure that you have someone come check these roofs every couple years for things like what we call a cold weld right here. So this tool right here is a roller. The guys use this when they're doing details and when they're hand rolling and when they're hand welding. They use a Leister. Basically, think of it like a high-powered hair dryer. Usually they'll run those machines anywhere from 800 to about 1200 degrees. So it gets really hot and it melts this membrane together, and that's how it's sealed up. So as they're blowing the heat in, they use this to roll it and press it down, and then it seals it together. Sometimes you get what we call a cold weld. Might be a little bit of dirt, maybe a little moisture, just whatever it is, it causes it not to seal very well. But this one just happens to have a probe on the very end of it. So just kind of a little point to it, and they'll go through and they'll run along these seams. And what we kind of found here is just another what we call a cold weld or a fish mouth. So it just opens up and allows water to get back inside and underneath the roof system and then leak inside the building. So there was a lot of them on this roof system that we found. This was not a roof that we did. We were just coming through and doing maintenance on it, checking all the seams, all the welds for things like this, so that we make sure that this building doesn't have any more issues. Another issue that we found on this building, I want to show you guys, this is a head wall, and this is called a counter flashing inside here. So with these, there's a bead of sealant all the way across the top. This one's obviously very old. As you guys can kind of see right here, we've kind of pulled a little bit back. That just leaks right inside the building. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all this off. We'll come back with new silicone, seal it up, and ensure that it's not gonna leak anymore and cause this property any more issues than what they already have. So this is a very important building. They have a lot of food and a lot of things that are stored inside here. So we want to make sure that this is not getting any moisture in, creating mold and all the nasty things that you don't want. So that's why it's very important to make sure when you do TPO roofs that you do them properly and you have them maintenance every couple years. So absolutely, definitely give us a call if you need your roof maintenance, if whatever it is, any kind of flat roof, shingles, we'd love to come take a look at it for you. So like I said, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.